Hello everyone, welcome back to the New Age Yogi. Today I'm going to be talking to you about a few books that really changed my life. Now they're going to be everything. There's going to be spiritual books, there are books about business, there are books about behavior, but I do not really possess the physical copy of all these books because most of them are on my Kindle and I don't basically carry books from my house everywhere I go. So I'm going to basically insert a picture and probably link something in the description below, and you guys can have a look. Now every book is not supposed to be for every person. You'll have to basically choose as to what your focus area is. If it's spirituality, if it's building yourself, if it's becoming a professional, it just depends upon you. But this is basically just a laundry list of the kind of books that you can read. Specifically, I feel like during this lockdown, a lot of us are in a very bad mental place. And a great way to actually put yourself in a better headspace is to read something, is to basically inculcate some kind of knowledge which is going to take your focus away from the current situation. So that is the reason that I'm making this video, and I hope it really helps you. So I just received this book in the mail yesterday and I haven't finished reading the book, but I can still recommend this book to you. In fact, I can still recommend any book by Sadhguru to you because it is going to give you and open up basically a very different dimension. So any book by Sadhguru is something that you can read. If you haven't checked out my review of the Death book, please do. I'm going to leave a description of that also below so you can have a look, and really it is life transforming. It is going to take away all the fear of death that you have. However, I would suggest you to really pick up a book of Sadhguru and just immerse yourself in it in a certain way, and you'll see magically a lot of benefits come to you through that. Second book that I would like to recommend to you is something that I have 2 copies of. Don't really think that I just have 2 copies of this. I also have a copy of it on my Kindle and I also have a copy of it on my phone, so you can understand how much in love with this book I am in, right? The second thing that I would like to tell you about this book is that do not read this book in one go. Take your time with this book. Sit with the concept that Eckhart is talking about. See what the power of now actually means and where you can actually apply it. It is pretty simple. It is no big concepts, or there's nothing major about it. It is so simple that you'll always feel like, how did I miss this before? So I would really recommend you to read this book very slowly, and believe me, if you read it the right way, when you start reading the book and when you end reading the book, you'll see a transformed person. You'll see yourself transform in magically actually into a very different way. So I would highly recommend you this. Those of you who do not want to read a quintessential spiritual book, a great book to actually invest in is this book. It's called The Power of the Subconscious Mind. Now, a lot of you come and tell me, how should I earn more money? How should I fix my relationships? How should I fix my health? And this book simply talks about the negative thought patterns that you've had, which has led you to a certain situation in your life. This book actually teaches you as to how do you change your thinking and what you tell your subconscious, and how you can manifest changes. For those of you who've gone through COVID very recently, please read the health section of this book. It is going to miraculously transform a lot of things in your life. Please do give this book a read if you're dealing with situations and in certain aspects of your life. Next book that I'm recommending is not a book recommendation, it is an author recommendation. Om Swami is literally my favorite writer. I can say that without a shred of doubt. Om Swami has such beautiful books ranging from spirituality to basically business to mantras, and you will not even know, the writer is going to write in such a way that it is going to just engulf your attention, and you will not be able to leave the book without completing it cover to cover. Once you complete, you will just be like, okay, give me another book by this author because he's so brilliant. I have been following Om Swami's YouTube channel for probably the past 5-6 years, probably since the time he had something like a 10,000 subscribers. Since then I've been following Om Swami, and he is wonderful. He's gonna make you laugh, he's gonna make you cry, he's gonna literally tell you stuff that you would never ever understand in the most lucid way possible. After reading his autobiography, I am in awe of Om Swami. In a way, he is one of those people that are just born with a spiritual sense. So he's always been, since the time he was young, he's always been a spiritual practitioner. However, it was just toned down as when he was younger, and really, really magnified as he grew old. So he went to Australia, he built his business, he went to the US, and then he just decided that he has to leave everything. He went to Varanasi, he went to the Himalayas, found himself, and when he came back, he returned to be, someone who is like one of those boons in the society. And I feel like every time I need to basically listen to someone, when I've just done with the entire world and I'm like, okay, I just need to come back home, listen to something good, eat a meal and sleep, I always turn to Om Swami when I want to do that. And I would really recommend you to listen to him, read him, and just follow him. This book is actually only for people that are very, very serious about their spirituality, and so it is very important to actually make this book your lord and proceed according to what it says. It is not something which is lucid that you can just read and you'll understand whatever is there. No, this book is not that. This book has calculations, this book has instructions, this book has various things that you will not be able to understand in one read. It is at least 2 readings that you have to do of this book to even start understanding. Next book recommendation to you would be a book called Flow. Now, I don't want you to talk about this book to anyone. I just want you to pick up this book and read it. No questions asked. I want you to understand that there's a reason that I'm telling you, because any book that we go in with preconceived notions actually brings us that same kind of results. This is one book that I do not want you to have any preconceived notions about. I want you to understand the book for what it is. If you want a little bit of a disclaimer, this book is about creating happiness. It's about how you create happiness. It's about how you have fulfilling relationships. It's about what brings that kind of flow into your life. It can be anything. It can be anything, and it is different for every person. But do read this book. A lot of you out there suffer from relationship problems with basically your partner, problems with your boyfriends, problems with your other half, whatever that may be. And one thing I can say for sure is that if you're not having problems today, sometime or the other you will end up having problems with your significant other. So whether you're just getting into a relationship or you've been married for years, this is a great book to basically enhance your understanding with your partner. This book is called The 5 Love Languages. And before you make any assumptions reading the title, it is about the fact that every person has their own love language. Now, what is a love language? A love language is basically certain things that matter to you. Love languages of every person is different. Now, the 5 love languages that are spoken about in this book are words of affirmations, quality time, physical touch, acts of service, and receiving gifts, right? So these are the 5 love languages that are spoken about. Now, my love language from my partner's love language can be very different. So everybody's love language is very different, right? So for me, maybe acts of service is something that really matters. However, for my partner, there's another love language that he speaks. So for example, spending quality time is something that matters to him the most. So every person has a different love language, and the more you try to understand what the other person is trying to communicate and is trying to want, there will be no conflicts. You will understand your partner deeper and better, and that is what this entire book is. So it's a good and it's a great read for couples that are just going into a relationship, as well as couples that have been married for a very long time. So The next book recommendation is for all of you that do not know the art of socialization. Now, I will be the first person to stand in line to say that I did not know a lot of things before I read this book and before I actually came into an industry where socializing was very important. However, I would tell you this, that if you read this book, you not only are able to communicate with others, you're also able to communicate and put your thoughts into a much better perspective. The book is called How to Win Friends and Influence People, and it has been one of the highest recommended books probably in the world. It is one of those books that is going to change the way you see friendships, the way you talk to your friends, the way you talk to your colleagues, the way you actually spend time with relatives. It's going to change all of that. So I would really recommend you to read this book, especially if you're going into a new office, if you're going into a new college, if you're just starting out school. This book is really going to help you maintain your relations and grow your relations and to paint a very different picture of yourself. So guys, I just realized that the video was becoming extremely long, so I would just like to cut short the video right here, and if you want, I can make a part 2 to this if you really enjoyed this video. And I have a lot more books that I can recommend to you, and I really had a lot of fun in making this video because I was going through all my books and I was actually understanding as to what I really enjoyed. So if you want to see a part 2 to this video, please leave a comment down below in the comment section. I'm going to leave you with 2 other authors that I want you to check out because these authors are worth mentioning and they are amazing. So the first author that I want to recommend to you is Robin Sharma. He's very famous for his book called The 5 AM Club, and it's a beautiful book to read, and it's a beautiful book to follow. The second author that I want to leave you with is called Anthony Robbins, and he's very famous in the US as a motivational speaker and a personal coach, and I would really like for you to check out some of his work. He's there on YouTube. He has personal sessions, he has books written, so please do go and check those people out. And I hope this video made a difference to your life. I'm gonna see you soon, and take care of yourselves. Bye bye.